PrestoSketch Halloween Edition. Hey everyone! Today we're going to draw a trick or treat bag with candy. The colors we'll be using are black, yellow, brown, blue, pink, orange, and purple. Let's start by drawing a long oval shape for the top of the bag. Then draw some lines to make the shape of the bag. Next, we'll draw two big circles for the eyes. Then two smaller circles for each eye. Make a small and cute smile. Next, we'll draw the handle for the bag with two big arches. Now time to draw the candy. Feel free to draw as many as you want in any shape and size. We can add lollipops, swirls, candy corn, and chocolates. Use your black marker to color in the eyes, but leave the smaller circles uncolored. Then we'll use the brown marker to color the main part of the bag. Next, we'll use the pink marker to color some of the candy. Then the blue marker for some of the other candy. Then purple. Then yellow. And then finally orange. After you're done coloring the candy, use your black marker to go over the lines again. Last but not least, use your brown marker to fill in the white spaces between the candy. Good job! You did it! If you like drawing along with me, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.